Hi panels, we are now Pointer, a group in Track 3 Industrial Collaboration for Fix the Docs by iFast. We are three software engineering students from University Malaya. We are Tang Xiaoxian, Tan Zhenyu, and Yong Yu Sing. Developers hate bad documentations but rarely write good ones. Imagine joining a project with thousands of files and no docs. Where do you even start? The result is new joiners waste weeks understanding code while team productivity suffers. And so our solution is CodeDoc extension, a smart documentation assistant for VS Code. So what is CodeDoc? It's a VS Code extension that makes code simple. Docs, diagrams, and AI all together in one tool. It helps new joiners, teams, and maintainers quickly understand the project. And it automates the boring part so we can focus on building. Here's our prototype demonstration.
Okay, now let's have a demo on this extension. Okay, first, user can access to our extension easily by clicking on the button on this side panel here. So you can see our first tab is Overview tab. By clicking on the Visualize Code button, our extension will analyze the project folder and show the architecture overview. Okay, so you can see a statistic panel here. And then all the classes in the project folder are categorized into controller layer, service, repository, and entity layer. User can click on the class card here and then access to the class file easily. This allows user to understand the architecture easily and improve the efficiency when the user works with different project architecture like DDT and traditional layer architecture. For future improvement, we plan to add the filtering and search function, which allows user to find specific classes and components easily. We also want to let user to choose the custom display mode like grid or network view. The second tab is AI Assistant, which is our future feature. It acts as the learning assistant and allows user to ask questions about the code. Our third tab is Code Explanation. User can choose either they want to generate project overview documentation or class documentation. Let's try to generate a project overview document. So in the document, you can see the overall system architecture, the key layer of the project, the main data flow, the framework pattern, the tech stack, analysis of module dependency, and the ERD and simple class diagram, and the request lifecycle, and etc. After the document is generated, user can export it as a markdown file and then save them. Okay. Now let's try to generate a class documentation. In the class document, we can see the purpose of the class, the methods inside, and the function of each method, the framework patterns, the dependency and relationship of the class with other components, like the controller will interact with the service class and DDO classes, and the usage examples of the class. For future improvement, we want to add version control for generated documentation, the collaborative editing function, and automatic documentation update when code changes. The last tab is visualization, which is also the future feature we will develop in the building phase. We will use multiple diagrams to give users some clear insight about the relationship and dependency between modules and understand the project easily.
To conclude, our first feature is the Overview tab. It visualizes your project with layered architecture, real-time states, and interactive class cards that link straight to code. And we are not stopping here. Future updates will add filtering and search, plus custom display modes. Our second feature, the Code Explanation tab. It generates clean documentation with dependency insights, class-level details, and exports everything in Markdown for easy sharing. Next, we are going to add version control, collaborative editing, and auto updates. In the future, we are adding an AI assistant where you ask questions about the code and get answers from AI. We are also building a visualization panel with API code graphs, class dependency maps, and a project tree, so you can see how everything connects at a glance. In summary, CodeDoc accelerates onboarding, automates documentations, and visualize architecture, making projects easier to understand and share across teams. That's all from us. Thank you very much.